Look at Mama's girls. Rotten. Stop, Chuck. I thought she'd start jerking again. She's not going to do it. Lay her back.
There, both of you. Cuddle up and go to sleep. Take a nap. Take you a nap.
You're so silly. They're good girls. Meow meow. Yeah. I'm recording them.
You're right, and both look at them. They just throw them open.
Now stop, see what me it is. Yeah.
Lila says, I'm going to hold out just a few minutes more. Maybe he'll come back. Crazy
Aww.
kids.
They're pretty girls. Meow meow, where's the kitty? Where's kitty kitty? Where's Clickers? Where's the kitty? You want a cookie? Want a cookie? Cookies.
Thought he might be out here. He come around this way when I come in.
Cookies are gone. Pretty girls.